What's up, FCB? So I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial video. I know I did one on YouTube, but I just wanted to do this one that I could post on Instagram, and it's just quick and straight to the point. I want to show you the benefits of flexible dieting and just how easy it is to track your macros on MyFitnessPal. It all is about staying in a calorie, either surplus or deficit or maintenance, whatever your goal is, stay within that and be flexible within that, adhering to calories first, protein second, carbs and fats can be flexible, and never forgetting about those micronutrients and fiber as well, because those are very important, especially if you're in a deficit. Vegetables can keep you fuller longer and you get all your micronutrients. So I'm going to show you how to find your macros. You're going to go to my website, hannadawson.ca. Under recipes, pick macronutrient calculator, and I'm going to show you how to input all your information, and then we're going to go into MyFitnessPal. Let's go. So the easiest way to do this is just to use the macronutrient calculator. So you're going to go to the macronutrient calculator here. You're going to input your age, and then you're going to input male or female, obviously female if you're doing this from the Fit Club. Your height, it's going to go by your height, your weight, your age, what your goal is. So your fat loss, maintenance, muscle gain, whatever you're picking, and then your activity level, which is really important. Then it's going to give you your macros right here. All right. From there, you're going to go into MyFitnessPal, and you are going to go into MyFitnessPal into the premium options. So you're going to click my premium options and then goals by different day, and you don't have to do different days for the goals, but this is where you go to change your macros, and you're going to click on carbohydrates. It's going to bring up this, and then you're just going to change those numbers to what they were on the macronutrient calculator, and you don't have to worry about the calories because it's going to tell you, it's going to give you your daily total calories as soon as it adds it up. Remember, nothing is set in stone either. You can try this for 2 weeks, see how you feel, see how your workouts do. Don't mind my dog's breathing in the background. See how you feel, and then readjust, after 2 weeks if, you're not getting the results that you want. So you're going to see your macros up there at the top. So as you can see, I've already input my food for the day, and you can input your food from your meal plan, or you can input food as you go. Beside each meal above it, it's going to tell you your carbs for that meal, the fats and the proteins, as well as the calories. And the bar up top will tell you how many calories you have left, how many carbs, how many fats, and how many proteins you have left. And I'm going to show you, if you tap that, it's going to show you again here more in detail your sugars, your fats, your fibers, your saturated, as well as the calories, how many calories you've ate total, how many you have left, and also the macronutrients. So now I'm going to add my dinner. So I'm going to go to the Fit Club, and I'm going to filter it by dinner, and I'm going to pick out a recipe. This is if I'm not following meal plan, and I'm just going to make something for the family. I'm going to find a recipe that I like, and I think I'm going to go with this pesto tuna quinoa bowl. This one looks really good. It's super easy, super simple to make. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the calories, the proteins, and the carbs and the fats. That's my dog snoring in the background. And then I'm going to go to meal 5 to my dinner, and I'm going to click those 3 little dots, and I'm going to go to quick add, and I'm just going to input the fat, the carbs, and the proteins, and it's going to add that in for me. So I don't have to input all the ingredients. I can just do it by the macro. And I actually have 89 calories left, so I'm going to add a snack. And I've picked sherbet because it's got 80 calories for half a cup, so I can have a little dessert after I'm done my dinner. Give me a little yum yum. Give me a little yum yum. This is the fun part about flexible dieting. You follow your meal plan as best as you can, but fit in those yummy foods that you love, because it will be way easier to adhere to your meal plan and see long-term results. Thank you guys. I hope this helped. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or like this wherever you're watching this, and I will see you next time.